Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be doing a video about AMC. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investor journey together. So today we're going to be doing a video about AMC, and I'm going to be asking, a lot of people are kind of asking right now, AMC, looking at the last week, down 13.08%. A lot of people wondering, is now a very good time to buy the dip on AMC Entertainment stock? What does the future hold for the overall stock itself? I hope to answer those questions for you guys by the end of the video. So we've definitely taken a look at AMC stock over the last couple of months. I mean, the stock has been doing pretty well. Last couple of months, it's up 320%. Even looking at the 1 month chart, it's up 94%. So AMC has definitely seen a lot of growth, definitely because, people are a little bit more optimistic about kind of the United States reopening back up. Movie theaters reopen up back in New York and California and all these big major cities. But a lot of people have kind of been wondering, when is AMC going to squeeze? Is AMC stock going to squeeze? Is now a very good time to buy the dip on AMC stock? I do want people to know that a squeeze is possible at any time. Like I said, given the right circumstance, AMC stock can be put in that position where, it could be put through a short squeeze. Taking a look at the 3 month chart, we definitely see that, on January 27th, AMC was kind of on that route until a lot of the brokerages actually halted trading for specific stocks just due to too much volatility. And AMC has kind of slowly sunk back down, but then kind of slowly made its way back up. And a lot of people, are starting to get a little bit more bullish on AMC. What kind of started off as a meme stock, people are now taking it a little bit more seriously, really defining its overall business model. Like I said, people, during the pandemic definitely put a lot more money into like EV and tech stocks because those stocks were booming during the state of a pandemic, while stocks like AMC, airlines, cruises, and basically like hotels, all those stocks were not doing well at all because those stocks were the ones severely affected by the pandemic. Obviously, all those business lines do require people to be in close proximity spaces. So obviously the businesses were not doing well. AMC losing $4.59 billion in the year of 2020. It's a lot of money to lose, but now that states have started to reopen back up, people are optimistic about a recovery for AMC Entertainment stock and for what the stock holds for itself. For me, right now, I have a current PT or price target of AMC stock. I think AMC stock is going to hit $25 probably by the middle of this year, if not the end of the year, which is pretty good. That means we're talking about an over a 100% return on your investment if you were to invest in AMC right now. Obviously, everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. But there is definitely a lot more upside potential for AMC than there is downside. Now, I know a lot of analysts do say, that AMC stock is just a meme stock. The company is going to go bankrupt. But for me, really looking at the facts and really what AMC actually does present as an overall company, there's going to be a lot of pent-up demand. Now, the reason I say this and why this is actually important is because people have not been able to go to the movie theaters for over a year now. So the fact that now people are now able to go back to the movie theaters, it's definitely going to boost AMC's Q1, Q2, and even Q3 outlook. So this year definitely should be a lot better of a year as far as earnings and its overall profitability for AMC as an actual company. But it's not just that. Now it does have the more media attention ever since like I said, the Reddit fueled rally. People have definitely been eyeing AMC, and AMC in itself has also gotten a few analyst upgrades as well. So it does put AMC in a better opportunity to kind of, shed some light on its overall business model. Like I said, streaming services being one of the main reasons why people are skeptical about investing in AMC. But I do want people to know, that yes, I can understand the popularity of streaming services is growing very rapidly, but I don't think that really defines or really even gets in the way really much of AMC's business line altogether. Yes, streaming services, you can watch the movies from home, but watching a movie at home is never really going to take away from the classical experience of one being able to actually go to the movie theater themselves. For me, I think it's a very good experience. I love going to the movie theaters. It's probably one of my favorite things to do. With pent-up demand, with the reopening of the states, stocks like AMC are definitely going to see a lot more upside this year as people have started to rotate out of tech and EV a little bit. People are kind of going more towards safer play. So like airlines, cruises, stocks like AMC, who were neglected basically the whole year of the pandemic. And given the certain circumstances that we definitely see, the market has been very volatile. The market has been sinking. So I don't want people to get discouraged if they see AMC stock dropping by a little bit. The overall market has not been doing well at all. There's a lot of market uncertainty really about bond yields and really where the market's going to be headed over the next year. Jay Powell saying that we're far from recovery definitely does put a little bit scare of the market. But if we really take a look at AMC, you know, right now sitting at $11.32, I actually think it's not a bad idea to actually buy the dip on the stock. I do think that this stock does have a lot of upside potential. Like I said, really just given the circumstances, there's definitely going to be a lot more kind of positive news coming out for AMC over the course of the next couple of months. The reason I say this is because, you know, the worst that's happened to AMC stock has already happened. You know, the company lost $5 billion in the year of 2020. You know, the company was closed down for a whole year, but AMC, aside from that, is still the biggest movie theater company out there. You know, people still love going to the movies. States are reopening back up, which means that people have the option to now go to the movie theaters. And I can understand why people could be a little bit of hesitant to invest in AMC. You know, people really want the squeeze to come out of AMC stock, which is the main reason why they're invested into it. And I can understand that, you know, people are like, okay, AMC is going to be the next GameStop. Is that a possibility? Of course it is. You know, every stock has that potential chance, especially a stock that has such a high short float percentage. But I don't want people to be invested into AMC stock for that reason, because the company really does offer some solid business fundamentals and some business values as well. You know, movie theaters have been around for a very long time. I don't think it's a business that's ever going to really go away. I do think that AMC could probably start heading more towards an innovative direction, really to compete with streaming services and overall direct competition. But like I said, AMC has done a very good job as a company, as still remaining the #1 movie theater company all across the world. You know, we definitely see that ticket sales are definitely going to go up, but it's definitely going to be a slow process. People are still scared of the pandemic. People are still scared to kind of start going back to restaurants and movie theaters and close proximity spaces. Until vaccines are completely rolled out, I don't really see a full recovery. But even if you take a look at AMC as its overall stock, even if we take a look at the 1-year chart, it's up 249%. So that's more than a lot of stocks would either give you a return over the like 5 or even 6 years alone. So people who did catch AMC early, you know, bought it at $2, $3, $4, you know, probably made a pretty decent return on AMC stock in itself. And I do think that this stock does have a lot more basically upside to go. I don't think AMC stock is done growing. I don't think AMC stock is done growing here at $11.25. Like I said, I do think that AMC stock will hit $25. I think it's a huge possibility given the circumstances, pent-up demand with the pandemic slowly going away, people starting to go out again. You know, it's kind of just a very good thing for AMC. You know, there's a lot of good news surrounding the stock in itself. A lot of people definitely have seen the potential upside for AMC, which is why a lot of people are invested in the company. This is why I think right now is a very good time to buy the dip on the stock. You know, the stock, like I said, down 12% of its value over the last week. Now is a very good time to buy the stock in itself. You know, it's sitting pretty cheap right now, and the stock does still have a lot of upside altogether. So I don't think it's that bad of an investment. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comments section below, guys, what you think of AMC Entertainment stock. Do you guys think AMC stock is a good buy, $11.24? Let me know down in the comments section below, guys, if you guys are buying the dip on AMC stock. With that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.